For a brief departure from stocks, I wanted to take a look at the housing market, which is unaffordable to many Americans. In large part, it was an effort to combat inflation where the Federal Reserve began an aggressive interest rate hiking cycle last year. The Fed tightened 11 times since March of 2022, helping push mortgage rates up. But it's not just expensive borrowing costs that have frustrated house hunters, it's also a lack of inventory. The old supply-demand thing. So let's take a quick look at some charts here to see just how brutal it is for people navigating the current housing market. In the weeks leading up to September 10th, Redfin data shows the median monthly mortgage payment hit an all-time high of $2,632. That's up 13.9% compared to 1 year ago, and it comes in the face of mortgage rates recently rising to 7.25% for the typical 30-year fixed rate. The average number of active listings of homes for sale fell 17% in the lead up to September 10th. This measure also remains below any level seen in the previous 3 years. In the lead up to 2008, developers built a surplus of homes that dramatically outpaced demand. But in the decade that followed, the rate of home building has continuously dipped below the historical average. And pending sales have declined by nearly 12% compared to a year ago. And this continues a 15-month streak of double-digit declines. And the chart showing new listings is about as bleak as this chart here. And as for house prices, the National Association of Realtors data published last month showed that home prices saw a record increase in over half of the U.S. housing markets over the past quarter. But look on the bright side. They are building tons of apartments everywhere. ChewDog out.